So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're playing MN2 but as 1v1. So let's join. Gab 3%. Gab 3%. Sheriff ko din kay Mard.
Ito sapat yung
Hindi
Sean
ko.
Ben.
Hindi pa kaya ito siya. Ko yung target. Gab! Siyata Gab! Kaya nagkakuha ng hack Gab!
Saba?
Naka-throw siya na wall. Di nakaka-kill siya ha.
Ano?
Na siya dira.
Kuno kay na bali akong tiim. Ako yung bibi? Ako. Ha? Ang kaduno ka, tunois? Ni Lula? Ghost na biya si Lula. Nag-follow ka to. Kung asa ta. Gusto pa dyan siya dagan. Ano? Sheriff? Kanina sa amin sa platisan.
La 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 la. Ay. La 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 la. Ay. Lag ba ano? Sa ate. Ayaw Gab. Ako man pati yung ata una. Ha, nakuha lagi ko dire.
Ana mana? Ano man ang fake murder mystery?
Nag-iwan na ta.
Kuklekiki.
Ha?
May bata. May ako.
Gaita.
Kuha din ha. Nam nam nam. Nam 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 nam. Nam 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 nam. Nam nam nam. Nam 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 nam.
Guanyang. Puyos. Nicolis. Gab, bantay dira si Ata Gab. Kaya si Ata mo glitch out ba siya dira pultahan. Okay Gab, promise Gab. Ah! Hindi ano ko Gab. Team ka Gab.
Uno, 3 people oh.
Bala ka Gaboy, leave ko kay ngang imo kong gikill.
Dua arm labi nga eh. Ito place.
Ano dinilig ka?
Yung gamot ni. Hangya! Ano spicy? Oh, kalan. Amari, manay, humugi. No. Sheriff,
Bird.
asa ka? Turkey. No. Nakatawaan na hilak. Ato ba na? Kanina. Tawag. Kabibay na ko ba na? Kaya ka ba na?
Uglagom.
Awa ko nagrambag ka mamatayan. Natura ko.
Maman. Naguan ka mama tiyan. Nagpatid. Sakitan mama.
O dahil namatay siya. Bino?
Wa. Yan sa hospital. Nakuha ka. Hindi ka magalubot eh. Ni Gab, hider lain. Hider lagi Gab. Ay pag hide Gab, oy. Gab. Gab. Ni Gab lagi kay hider.
Please. Okay.
Ha? May kay ko na.
Naraman ko sa putahan.
May kay ko.
May tabi? Binangga ko na rin.
Ako yung mga ipa-victory. Lasang na ha?
Awa. Bye. Bye-bye.
Kudya lang. Black ah.
Mada na pa.
Bad asman ka.
Bigyan hisa ko sa tubig.
Hindi ka pa tagon Gab. Hindi ko mo pa victory.
Ba't ka ba? Sige, ako sa kakin. Wan! Ano ba yan? Ano?
Bau deh Gab. Kuha din mo ito.
Nalubat na.
Okay.
Ano tayo YouTube na? Ano pa kisang shady? Ako pa dyan. Ben, kinantay ka, mama na. Ben? Ben? Walang mama pranks, Ben?
Oh my god, this is Target Roblox.
Ride or die.
How is this going to happen?
Did you press the like button on my videos?
Please don't kill me. I'm your fan.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you so much.
Hey there, like and subscribe right now.
Also, comment Spider Bacon is your cool.
All right. Let's see what we've got. Let's go! Yes! Okay, go! Come on, quickly! Whoop! What? Oh, run, boy, run! Run, Daniel, run! Run, Daniel, run! Yes! There, we're in a tight spot.
I was just trying to shoot an intro and we got Sheriffum, so let's just play this round. I'll shoot the intro later. The delay is crazy. He resetted Brew Y. Hello! So in this video, if I die, I have to switch games, so we are gonna be starting off with Murder
Oh yeah, that's what I was looking for. So today I'm going to place 100 players on this island, and we'll see what they'll be doing. I already found the island. We just need 100 players. I think I have an idea. Don't know if it's going to work out. Wow, so many players. That really works? Hey, hi there. And you. Yeah, free diamonds here. Come on.
Dude, where are the diamonds?
The diamonds? Well, I was just kidding, actually.
Very funny. I'm out of here.
Well, all right. Yeah, good luck. Good thing I have spawned the sharks around the island. Oh, well, yeah, I guess there are plenty of sharks around the island, and we'll have to survive here. Oh, yeah, and now we can check out what will happen. Oh, they already started doing something. Wow, someone already started building the house? Is that a dirt block house? Oh, it's Newbie. Hi there, Newbie.
Boom.
Give it back. These are my resources.
No, it all belongs to me. There is nothing for you here.
Guys, what is happening here?
He took my iron from the furnace.
So what? What will you do with that?
All right, to make it fair, take this iron sword.
Nice.
Wow, man, I didn't expect that to happen. How did this player manage to build this? I mean, they